In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Moltbot or Clawdbot using Quick Start in the terminal. First, open the website for the bot you want to use, either Moltbot or Clawdbot. On that page, scroll down until you find the Quick Start section. This is where they provide a ready-to-run command that handles the setup for you. Highlight that command and copy it to your clipboard. Next, open your terminal. On macOS and Linux, that's the terminal app. On Windows, you can use Command Prompt or PowerShell. Click into the terminal window, paste the command you copied, and press Enter. The installer will begin downloading the necessary files and configuring everything automatically on your computer. Depending on your connection and system, this can take a little while, so be patient. If it looks like nothing is happening, give it another minute. Some steps run quietly in the background. Throughout this process, you may see progress bars, dependency notices, or security prompts from your operating system. Approve them if they're related to this installer. Some stages run twice, first to fetch packages, then to initialize the app, so it's completely normal to wait a second time while things load. When the installer finishes, you'll see a prompt asking you to confirm. Click or select Yes on the message that says, I understand. This is typically a reminder about usage and credentials. After confirming, you'll be guided through a few choices. Choose Quick Start to keep things simple, then choose Reset, so you're starting from a clean configuration. Next, select OpenAI as your provider. When you're asked about the OpenAI API key, select that option and then enter your own OpenAI API key. Keep this key private. Don't share it or include it in any screenshots. If you paste it, double check there are no extra spaces before or after. Once your key is accepted, you'll be prompted to choose a model. Pick the model that best fits your needs. If you're unsure, the default recommended option is a safe bet and works well for general use. After the model, you'll choose a channel. The channel is simply where your bot will run or respond. Select the one you prefer based on how you plan to interact with it. That's it. The setup finishes automatically with those selections. If you ever need to repeat this process later, you can return to the Quick Start section and run the same command again. For now, you're ready to start using your bot with the model and channel you selected.